Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Tap next, and again, try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. And enter lock screen. Confirm and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 2 and a low of -7.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.